Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to unblock someone on LinkedIn on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open your LinkedIn application. And now to unblock someone, you just have to go to your profile here at the top left in the corner of your screen. Now go ahead to the settings here at the bottom. And after, in this settings page, you just have to go ahead to this visibility options. Now in this visibility page, you just have to scroll it on again until we'll find here the blocked members. Just tap on it. And this is the profile that I have blocked before, guys. If you want to unblock it, you just have to tap on this unblock option. Just go ahead. And now enter your LinkedIn password first. And after, tap on this button. And as you can see, there are successfully unblocked here guys for the account before. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.